Hey guys, Mr. Jalapeno here with another episode of The Bondo Chronicles. Now in today's project, I'm going to show you how I repaired this damage here on the door. I accidentally recorded this part here a little bit sped up, but no worries. So what I ended up doing was I removed that loose piece of wood near the faceplate. This is going to help the Bondo adhere better to the door. And here we go, the star of the show, Mr. Bondo. So now I'm just going to grab a little bit of Bondo with my putty knife, add a little bit of this cream hardener. This is going to make it sandable in 15 minutes. Just make sure you mix it thoroughly. As you can see, I'm mixing on a paint tray, but I've seen people use a piece of tile, cardboard. What do you think is best to mix the Bondo? Let me know in the comments. Okay, now as you could see, after I mixed it, I'm just applying it with my putty knife onto the door. Another cool little trick is to apply your blue tape in layers. That way you can remove layers, and look, it's easier for sanding, and it's also a big help when applying the second coat. I always recommend to do thin coats of Bondo, that way it doesn't look bumpy. Look, now I applied the second coat and I'm removing the second layer of tape as well. Sand it down again, and if you need to apply a third coat, go ahead and do it. In this case, I didn't need to. It worked out really good. When I'm sanding the final coat, I like to use a 220 grit sanding paper. It's not too rough and it'll give you a better finish. And there we go, the Bondo part is done. Now just let it dry for about an hour. You're gonna have to put blue tape on the door again, that way when you paint you have those nice straight lines. Don't forget to caulk the edge of the blue tape, that way you get a really nice finish. It's gonna help the paint not bleed through, but as you can see, it did bleed a little bit at the end there. No biggie though, we can always wipe it off with a rag. And there we go. If you want to get any of the tools or materials that I used here in this video, just go to my Amazon storefront. Another option I offer my clients is to just replace the door, which is way more expensive, but it's an option. Jalapeno Solutions. Boom!